Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Simply Kiwi. Today I wanted to do something a little bit different. I haven't done in a while. I wanted to do a sweater inspired type of mani. I don't have a particular sweater that I base this particular mani on, but I wanted to give that texture of a sweater. So if you like nail art or anything nail art related, please consider subscribing. And next to that subscribe button, go ahead and click on your notification bell so you know when I upload new content to the channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, I like the way it turned out and I hope you enjoyed this mani. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share it with your polished family and friends. So, I'll see you in the next video and remember, allow the mani to take hold and watch the magic appear.